AZFL. The last time we took a look at the stock was going to put us back in right here. All right, so right here I said, watch, getting ready to make a move here, in my opinion. If volume pushes you past the 0045, this will run resistance at 0045, 006, support at 0033 and 26 with volume, chart technical analysis alert. That right there where you guys are at 3.6 on this day. I mean, again, we do these stocks in live time. Right now the stock is open, it's making moves. We do this stuff in live time. All right. So with that being said, you guys ended up pulling down and getting below that 10-day simple moving average. Unfortunately, if I would have looked at it again, I said, no, you guys got back down below there. I have to remove the technical analysis alert. We're going off this in live time where we're at based on all the information. You guys got back down. Look at that, being a rubber band, just pushing you guys down below that 10-day simple moving average that whole time here. You guys tried to get above it today. Big volume day here. The volume's starting to pick up. You guys gapped up here. Kind of could ruin that move. And it pulled back down. I do like the way that it's been looking here for the last month and a half. Really trading, obviously sideways. Okay, I just want to make sure I got that line right. All right, so right there, we'll put that line right there. You see that it falls below it a few times. Gonna be the upper part of that. There we go. The upper part of that right there too. So it's been in this channel right here. It's literally been in this channel here since the beginning of the year, really beginning of January. Been in this channel this whole time, but it's staying steady between there. I'd keep an eye on it. I like the way that it's now above the 10-day simple moving average. I just don't like where it's currently at right now. And there's a gap right there. The gap, you see the upper and lower wick down there. It came down and closed the two gaps. Keep an eye on it. I mean, it might not be set up right now, but it could be getting ready to set up. I'll be watching. Right, so, go ahead, Joe.
Yeah, there's a press release that was issued today. It's Amazonas Floresto Limited announces its wholly owned subsidiary, Amazon Hemp Limited, achieves registration with the Colorado Department of Agriculture, moves closer to meeting requirements for planting a 100-acre plot with industrial high CBD hemp. So Amazonas, I always say this wrong because it confuses me with Amazon. Amazonas Floresto, a natural resource company dedicated to innovative, sustainable forest management, industrial CBD hemp, and the certification of and sales of carbon credits, today announced its wholly owned subsidiary, Amazon Hemp Limited, has moved one step closer to meeting requirements for planting of its 100-acre plot with its industrial high CBD hemp by achieving registration with the Department of Agriculture for the state of Colorado. The company is close to completing all of the necessary requirements for planting using only proven genetics around mid-May of this year. Ricardo Cortez, company chairman of Amazonas Floresto Limited, said the recent developments should demonstrate to our long-term shareholders that management continues to strive to build value in the company and achieve revenues and profits from stateside business this year. The company is now on course to enter the industrial hemp business and at a considerable large scale. Cortez also said our return to the compliancy and new structure have allowed for a renewed interest in our efforts, which will allow us to complete the company's new face and direction with the new headquarters. We will soon announce the inauguration and location for the company's new offices in the Miami Brickell area as well. And then Peter W. Steppens, Chief Executive Officer of Amazonas Floresto Limited, commented, indeed, the company takes another important step forward with the registration of the 100-acre hemp plantation in Colorado. In essence, the registration is the license that permits 303 farms to plant, harvest, and sell plantations, resulting yield and products under contract to our subsidiary Amazing Hemp. We continue to actively pursue a share of the growing market for CBD oils crystals, and edible products confectioned using CBD as an active ingredient. So then Todd Ellison, one of the principals at 303 Farms, stated that we at 303 Farms, as part of our synergistic alliance with Amazon Hemp, are excited that we are closer to planting stage, and we want to assure shareholders that we are prepared to move forward immediately once final requirements are met. Our past on-ground experience with the CBD hemp plant that we consider to be perhaps the number one most potentially profitable farm product of the coming decades can now be put to practice on a larger scale. Ellison continued, we look at this activity through not only from the perspective project's economic feasibility, but also take pride in part of the organization that plans to invest in the formulation, patenting, and distribution of new products that actually have been recently proven to benefit human health. It's not just the hempcrete and fiber for us. It's also about promoting better health worldwide. In other company news, Cortez said that the company's accountants have completed the 2016 annual report and OTC disclosures. He said these are under final review and will be filed and posted on time. All in all, the company is poised and ready for progress and should develop in a positive manner this year. So, I mean, that right there is pretty much their press release from today. And if you want to continue, obviously, researching this company and doing some due diligence, you can go right over to that AZFL board over there on Investors Hangout. And then you'll see that company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on this company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting over there on that AZFL board.
All right, there you go. 003. Watch, in my opinion, now above the 10-day simple moving average. And might be setting up here. I don't have that confirmation yet, and I say that we'll need a close above the 30-day simple moving average, 0032, to confirm. Keep in mind also that 30-day simple moving average does fluctuate. I mean, for example, way back here, just a month ago, that 30-day simple moving average is at 0047. Obviously, that moves with the current price. So keep that in mind. I mean, that could go down, that can go up. That's not going to be a set in stone price. I'm saying right now within the next day or so. That's what you'd be watching. Support at 003, 0025, resistance at 0032, and 0048. If you're following the stock, I definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.